Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year's as well. And for those who haven't watched any previous video, any recent previous video, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year as well. If you're new to the channel, if this is the first video you're watching, thanks for clicking. And just click that subscribe button. It's free to subscribe, join the family. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every time that I put up a new video. Remember to like, share, and comment. So we just saw some glimpses of the Christmas decorative lights at the head office for the Jamaica Public Service in New Kingston. So I just showed you guys a glimpse. It's a very creative and well put together decorative lighting. It's in the form of a bow, yellow and blue, which is JPS colors as well. So that was JPS New Kingston, their head office. As you see in the title, Christmas lights at night, or Christmas decorations at night in Kingston. So I'll be just showing you guys a few other places that is looking very lovely from a Christmas decoration or a Christmas lights standpoint. So stay tuned guys, and thanks for clicking, thanks for watching. Alright guys, so we're now in Half a Tree. So we jump from New Kingston into Half a Tree. So just gonna show you some of the lights, the decorative Christmas lights at night on some of the plazas in Half a Tree. So that's the plan. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're on Constant Spring Road, heading to the direction of the transport center. Alright, let me just park a little bit and show you guys across the road. Alright, so hopefully you guys are seeing it as clear as I am seeing it. Let me try my very best to show all the details. So we're on Lane Plaza and also showing the Village Plaza. So I know a few persons wanted to see how the place look at night in terms of the decoration, the Christmas lights. So this is it guys. And again guys, thanks for all the support in 2020. And as we approach a new year, 2021, and I'm sure you guys are going to continue supporting, and the channel is going to reach even more places as well. Alright, so this is Twin Gates Plaza. Then we have the Mall Plaza over this side. Alright guys, so for this one it is the Tropical Plaza. I know it looks very empty right now because it is. It's basically closed to the public. But just quickly driving around with you guys. Nothing too special for decoration, but they still do have, you know, lights here and there. They have a very big, you know, parking area at the front. That's one I think they're known for. You know, once you come over here, you more than likely will get a parking. There's no question about it. So this is Tropical Plaza. Just showing you guys quickly around the area. So again guys, remember to leave your comments. Let me know what you think about the Christmas decor at night, the pepper lights as we call it, the Christmas lights. Let me know what you think. And like always, remember to share the video. Remember to like the video. Across the road is the Springs Plaza. It's basically closed to the public. Again, nothing too very special for decor, but they do have lights over there. So we'll now head closer into the Art of Half a Tree, and then we'll basically end the video there. And again guys, thanks for all your support in 2020, and as we approach New Year in 2021, I know you guys will be continuing to support, you know, whatever you guys do, whether it's a comment, a like, a share, a subscribe, you know, whatever you guys do. I know you guys will be continuing to support the channel as well. Really appreciate it. And in early 2021, I'm sure we'll see the channel reaching 10,000 subscribers with your help. So this is the middle of Half a Tree. We have the transport center on the right. A lot of bright lights over there, so the camera will look a little bit blurry. Not a lot of Christmas lights. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and see you on another video. And I hope everyone stays safe, stay sanitized, and you know, just do everything you need to do so we can live to see Christmas of 2021. Stay safe guys.